Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year's Eve, hopefully is when I'm posting this video. I am here to plan in my classic size Happy Planner, which is my main planner, and it is a horizontal planner. I just wanted to show you my setup in the front really quick because I'm excited about it. I just have these paper clips in the front. This one was just given to me by my friend Jenica. She had the jelly side of the sandwich. She said I was her peanut butter to her jelly. I think that's adorable. That was my Christmas gift. This die cut is from More Avenue, and then these ones are both from Paper Focus. And then this is a deluxe Happy Planner cover. So this planner is the Daydreamer planner, and I am going to be planning the week of the 1st through the 7th. And I do plan on doing a 2018 planner setup video that will be coming later this week, so definitely keep your eye out so you can see what planners I'm using and for what and how I have them set up. Okay, so I always take the pages off the rings because that's part of what I love about the Happy Planner. And then this week I am going to be using a kit from Paper Focus. I believe I picked the Erin Condren horizontal layout because there wasn't a Happy Planner horizontal layout. So I just love their shop, and you get so many stickers for such a great deal. So you get this whole sheet and then this whole sheet of stickers. And these ones that are functional stickers, more functional stickers, and then the days of the week and the numbers, and then these are like the little header cover, and then a couple washi strips and some more stickers. So as you can see, like, you get plenty. I could definitely use this for more than 1 week, and I'm just super excited to use it. This is the first time I've used one of these in my horizontal planner. I think it's my first time using one of their weekly kits. I've used their monthly kits before, but I'm super excited to use them. Well, I am going to first break up my planner into horizontal lines. I personally really like planning vertically. I just feel like I like the layout. I feel like I have more room to write, even though a lot of the times I don't write more. So that's why I plan horizontally. Plus I planned vertically for most of the year last year. So I just wanted to switch it up and do horizontal. And Mom Run Craft is the one I learned this little trick from, which I feel like it just helps me kind of visualize how I want to break it up. So I break it up into 3 boxes, and it's 6 inches long, so each one is 2 inches. And I mean, I don't necessarily stick to that, because if I did, I obviously would just stay in a vertical planner. And then next I place my washi, which I decided to go with this rose gold and black polka dots and this color, even though it's not the same pink. I think it'll tie in together pretty well. So I'm gonna lay that down first. And if you're new to watching my channel, I use what's called an eye slice. This one is from Pampered Chef. It just has a very tiny ceramic blade, so it works really well just to cut through the washi, not your paper. I have seen them at Michael's. You can find them on the same aisle as like the scissors back by the yarn and everything. And then also, when I searched it recently to post a link for someone, I saw that they are also at the Container Store. I didn't look into it too much to see which one's cheaper or whatever, but it's the same thing. And I really like using this. what I have decided to do with my columns is the first column is normally a weather or a decorative sticker, and then the middle is to-do lists, and then the ends are like TV shows or jazz games. So one thing that I really like about this kit is these small checklists, because I can stick them in here really easily without having to overlap, so I can have a checklist on whatever day I need it on. And then I am going to do a long checklist on Saturday, because that's normally when I do all of my cleaning and errands and stuff. That looks crooked, but it's because the line is crooked. I'm gonna just make sure. Okay, and I haven't decided what I want to do with these date covers, if I want to use them or not. I don't normally use date covers, but since I'm doing the kit, I think I might. Then I'm just going to use the numbers and put those above the day. Perfect. I really like that. Then I'm going to put the weekend sticker over here. Like that. And then, oh, I forgot about these washi strips. I think I'll put this one on top of this one. Kind of angle it like that. And then do the same thing down here. Like that. Perfect. Then what I normally do is the ones that say like grocery shopping, laundry day. I don't have a payday. Those ones I think I'm in like these little icon, well, some of them I'm going to wait until I actually do it, just because I'm not sure when I'm going to do it yet, and then some of them I'll place ahead of time. So I know on Monday I'm going to my sister's house to help her clean. So I'm gonna put this here and then put some kind of cleaning sticker. And I also think I'll put a little banner for a little flag. Like that. Then on, let's see, I do want to cover up where it says place a picture. And there's these stickers that go together, and then the cheers to the new year. So I think I'm just gonna line those up along here. But then cut it. Well, no, I don't think I will cut it. And then put the cheers to the new year either down here, or I feel like that's a little busy up there if I put it up there, especially with that one already there. So I think I'm going to put this one down here as well. And just to cover up a little bit of that blank space, I'm gonna put this cute little tiny banner down here. Like that. Then on Friday, I'm having a girls planning night with my sister Jenica and her sister. So I think I will use this black one to put right here. And then put another little flag on it. I think I'll put a pink one on it. And I can write in there. I think I'll put this flag right there, maybe. I don't know, I'm just going with it, guys. Oh, and there's a little plan sticker. So I'll put the little plan sticker right there. Okay, I feel like I need something right here, and I am going to, well, let's see first. I have jazz games to put on Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. So I'm going to use these. No, I'm going to use these because then I can put the time on it for those. So I think I'll do pink down here. And then this tan color right here. And then Wednesday I'll do black. I don't know if I like this checklist here. I think it's partly because that pencil line is crooked, but I also just don't like it being there because it is so long. So I think I'll either still use a small one or just, let's see. I might also use a pink one maybe and put it over here instead. Maybe I just want to can't get these straight. I think I do like that. And then this one, and I purposely used like more of the New Year's stickers that are specifically for New Year's because I can use the rest of the stickers on another week because it's just a cute color scheme as well. So I purposely used the New Year's ones. Then I have a couple TV shows that are restarting this week. Wednesday is Amazing Race, and then Sunday is Keeping Up with the Kardashians. So normally I would use a little TV, but this time I think I'm just going to use this kit. So on Sunday, it's Keeping Up with the Kardashians, and then I'm going to put a little TV sticker on there. And Wednesday is Amazing Race, so I think I'll use the tan one because I haven't used that a lot. With the little TV. Okay, I really like this kit. I love how it worked with the Daydreamer planner. I think the color schemes work well with the purple and the peach on the page. So now lastly, I just go through and erase the pencil lines, and I use this Tombow mono plastic eraser, and it works really well. And I just love, after I erase the lines, how cohesive, I don't know if that's the right word, it looks completely different than with the lines on it. I just feel like it looks complete. And if there is any last little stickers I want to put on there, I will, but I really like how this turned out. So I just put the pages back in my planner, and then I put these at the back of my planner. I have a little pocket folder just in case like I'm anywhere and want to add some stickers to it. And again, this is the Happy Planner Daydreamer edition. It was a limited edition horizontal planner with these metal discs that came out in Hobby Lobby. Don't know if there's any more, but I really like it. And it had stickers that went with it and sticky notes. And then this is actually a bookmark from the mini Daydreamer, but I use it in my classic size because I just think the color scheme is really cute. So I put that in there, and then at the back is where I have my sticky notes, and then this is my leftover from the kit I used last week, and I'll put this kit in there and we're good to go. So I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you hit subscribe so you can be the first to see my videos going forward. My plan is to post a video every day this week to celebrate the new year and just everyone's goals that they have. So hopefully that happens, and so I will see you next time. Bye guys.